I think in some instances you get the impression the science is running ahead of other elements of drug development, and so the science is moving very rapidly, and what we see is there's almost multiple ways of making an omelette in a way. There's various different alternative technologies which ultimately compete with one each other to find out which is the VHS versus the Betamax, if you like, to bring up an old analogy. And so the science is going fast, but perhaps outpacing a lot of the regulatory and manufacturing capabilities, which perhaps historically were viewed as humdrum, rather vanilla elements of a business, but are now becoming front and center, more critical to the ongoing company, because those elements are the bottlenecks, if you like, rather than the clinical development, which seems to be progressing at lightning speed. From an investment point of view, I think we obviously have a number of gene therapies, cell therapies. We have one on market now, obviously, but a number that are in late stage clinical development. I'd like to see further examples of approval, and perhaps more clarity on the funding and reimbursement for these therapies, which again is another element that is being developed in tandem with manufacturing regulatory. Is exactly how does the government payers or the health insurance companies pay for this, and what are the best models to do so. I think that would be, to get more clarity on the reimbursement framework, would give investors a lot more comfort, I think.